Hello friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn the rules of divisibility. Divisibility rules. Why we use the rules of divisibility? Without divide, if you can say a number is divisible by another number exactly, then that is the rule of divisibility. See, divisibility rules help us to find if a number is completely divisible by another number without actually dividing. Without actually divide, you can say whether the number is divisible by that number or not. For example, if I will say 24, is 24 divisible by 2? Divisible by 2? Without divide, if you can say yes or no, here we are using rules of divisibility. So 24 is an even number and we know all even numbers are divisible by 2. So this is the rule of 2. कि without divide you can say whether 24 is divisible by 2 or no. आप बिना डिवाइड किए जब आप ये बता सके कि हाँ ये नंबर 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा या नहीं, इसी को बोलते हैं रूल्स ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे. Now first we will do the divisibility rule of 2, 5 and 10. Now divisibility rule of 2. What is the rule for 2? Now if you will see, if you will take any number 4, 3, 2, 9, you have to see its ones place. What you will see? Whatever the number is given, big or small, you just check its ones place. If this ones place is even number, or you can say it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If your ones place of your number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, either of these number or an even number, so you can say this number is divisible by 2. So here it is 9, not an even digit. So we can say no, 4, 3, 2, 9 is not divisible by 2. Okay, if I will take 5, 7, 3, 2, 2. Now here again, for the divisibility of 2, you have to check only ones place. 2, this is even number, or out of these numbers there is 2. You can apply any rule, whether even number or whether you have to say these. So this is 2. Now without divide you can say yes, 5, 7, 3, 2, 2 is divisible by 2. So what is the rule of 2? You will check the ones place. If it is 0, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2, otherwise not. Okay? Now, so what is the check the ones place? So what is the rule of 2? Digit at ones place is 0 or an even number. Now second, divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. For 5 also, you have to check ones place. You have to check ones place. If digit at ones place is either 0 or 5, या तो आपकी वंस प्लेस पे 0 हो या फिर 5 हो, So that number will be exactly divisible by 5. Without dividing you can say. So let's take an example. 5720. Is this number divisible by 5? We will check the ones place. This is 0. So we can say yes. If I will take 66989. Here ones place is not 0 and not 5. So you will say this number is not divisible by 5. Okay. So this is the rule of 5. If digit at ones place is either 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5, otherwise not. Now, third, divisibility rule of 10. For this number also we have to check only ones place. You know, in 10 table, when we do 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, the ones place is 0. In all the numbers the ones place is 0. So here, so if a number, if digit at ones place is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Example 125790. You will check the ones place only. This is 0. So we can say this number is divisible by 10. Yes, this is divisible by 10. If I will take 129. 129, here the ones place is 9, not 0. So this number is not divisible by 10. So we will say no, this is not divisible by 10. Yes, this is divisible by 10. If your ones place is 0 only, then the number is divisible by 10. So these are this, you have to check ones place for the divisibility rule of 2, 5 and 10. Okay. Now we will learn divisibility rule of 3. For 3 and 9, the rule is same. So first we will do with 3. If a number is given like 432, this number is given. What is the first step? First step is add all the digits. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And now check. The result is coming in 3 table or divisible by 3. This 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So, yes, 432 is divisible by 3. So, first step is add all the digits given in the number and then check the result by 3, कि whether that result is divisible by 3 or not. If the result is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. If, say one more example, if I will take 2, 2 and 7. So first step, add all the digits. 4 plus 7 is 11. Now, is 11 divisible by 3? No, 11 will not come in 3 table. So, it is not divisible by 3. So, we can say no, this number 227 is not divisible by 3. So, what is the rule of 3? So, sum of all digits is divisible by 3. So, for 3 we will add all the digits and then check the result is divisible by 3 or not. Now, similarly, the divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. Same thing we have to do here. Sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Here we will check with 9 because we are checking the rule of 9, that's why we are using with 9. We will check the result, whether the result is divisible by 9 or not. See, if I will take 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 3 I have taken. Now first I will add. First step is add all the digits. So 7, 8, 15, 15 and 3, 18. Now 18, check, 18 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9, 2 times. 9 2s are 18, yes. So, yes, this number 783 is divisible by 9. Okay, let's take one more example. If I will take 999. So, first step you have to add all the digits. 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Yes, 3 times. 9 3s are 27. So, yes, this number is also divisible by 9. Let's take one more example. This 8 plus 9 plus 7. 8, 9, 17, 17 and 7, 24. 24 is divisible by 9. Can you divide 24 by 9? 9 3s are 2 and 9 2s are 18. Now 6 is left, not exactly divisible. So we will say this number is not divisible by 9. So the rule for 3 and 9 is same. First step is same, sum of all digits. For 3 you have to divide it by 3 and for 9 you have to divide the result by 9. Very easy. I hope this concept is clear to you. Have a nice day.